There is one more question: how to speed up the loading of Tableau while in live connection. When I think there's a few factors to consider when it's a live connection. First is, what is your data source? Also, how fast is your data source? Because if, for example, your data source itself is very slow, so let's say if I have a database, a SQL database that's living on a really old machine and I don't have the best internet connection, unfortunately, there's only so much we can do on the Tableau side. So usually when we're working with live connection, we have to, in a way, kind of take a lens higher and look at a bigger picture. So apart from Tableau, what are the other pieces there? So there's going to be the network, there's going to be firewall, um, there will be the infrastructure as well. So where is your desktop? If you're mentioning maybe loading Tableau on a Tableau desktop, your own computer and your own hardware and software in your computer will affect kind of the loading. So again, there's a lot of pieces, I think, that's included. The one thing I would mention though is just make sure that when we are connecting to another data source, whether it's live or an extract, is we are limiting it to the data that we need. Because sometimes we might connect to a data warehouse that has 50 years worth of data, but you're only analyzing the last 10 years. What we want to do is we want to limit the data that is going to be ingested into Tableau in the first place. So I think that will also already help in terms of performance, like limit the data before it gets through to Tableau.